everyone, welcome to this next video on complex analysis. In this video we shall take up question from GATE 2004 consisting of 2 marks. The question says, for a positively oriented unit circle, that means we are talking about unit circle mod z minus 0 is equal to 1, having center at 0 and radius 1. So it would be something like this. This is the origin, this is one distance on the right, on the left, up and down, right? So our circle positively oriented would be something like this in this particular direction, right? Say this is our circle C, right? So then they are saying what is the integration over this closed circle of this particular function. So let us call this function as f of z, that is equal to 2 the real part of z divided by z plus 2. So now in order to solve this integration, we'll have this Cauchy-Gaussian theorem with us, which says that if a function is analytic inside a domain of closed contour C, then its integration over that contour is equivalent to 0. So now we have to check whether this function f of z is this analytic inside this particular curve C. So for that this part is obviously analytic. So in order to check the analyticity, we first see whether this function, this whole function f of z, this becomes infinite at any point or not. So for that we just check that the denominator of this function, denominator of f of z, that is equivalent to z plus 2, is this equal to 0 at some point? If this is so, we have a problem. So at z is equal to minus 2, we have a problem. So we say at z is equal to minus 2, we have a pole. So that means our function is not analytic. Our function f of z is not analytic at z is equal to minus 2. If it is not analytic at this point, then we cannot apply this result. So in order to apply this particular result, we have to check whether this particular point z is equal to minus 2 that belongs to our given region, which that is the inside of the circle, or not. So now you clearly see, because the radius of this circle is 1 and it is situated at origin with center at origin, so this point z is equal to minus 2 lies outside this circle. Therefore inside this particular region, this function f of z, that is 2 real part of z divided by z plus 2, is analytic. So now if this function is analytic, that means we can say its integration within this closed contour C is equal to 0. So our answer to this question is option number A. I hope you understood this question. See you in the next question.